Hello everyone, we are in my Ford F-150. We installed an MGS 800 in it today, a dash cam, and we're running Fleet Complete Vision, and we're gonna do a drive now and actually show you what it's like as I trigger events. All right, let's go drive.
Trip started.
There's the annunciation. It detected very quickly that a trip started.
Lane drift detected.
Ah, there, you see? A lane drift was detected.
Tailgating detected.
Oh, see, it's giving me live feedback here to drive more safely. Let's see if we can. There's more cars here than I thought.
Yeah.
Rolling stop detected.
Oh, did I roll through a stop sign?
It was right there. There was a stop sign there.
There was a stop sign there?
Yeah, on the corner. When
Well,
you turn right.
I kind of just rolled through it. All right, let's see if we can get a hard acceleration. Oh, burn some rubber.
Harsh acceleration detected.
Harsh acceleration detected.
Harsh braking detected.
Harsh braking detected. That's some pretty aggressive driving.
Cornering detected.
Cornering
You might catch
detected.
up to Alex on it.
Okay, so I did harsh braking, rapid acceleration, lane drifting, tailgating, rolled through a stop sign, hard cornering. All those rules were demonstrated. And it also visually picks up speed limit signs and detects if I'm driving faster than the posted speed limit. So that's really, really powerful. It's pretty phenomenal. It's like having a coach riding along with you.
That's the whole point of it, right?
Yeah, that's the whole point. As a driver using Vision, you just do what you do every day. You just get in your vehicle and drive. It's super fun to test it and to show you all how Vision actually works in your vehicle. I mean, Vision is a game changer. Thank you all for watching.
Thanks, guys.